35 years to life success. Set clear goals. Start by defining your short-term and long-term goals. Break them down into actionable steps and create a roadmap to guide you along the way. Ensure that your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. Continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning. Acquire new knowledge, develop new skills, and stay updated with advancements in your field. This can be achieved through formal education, online courses, workshops, seminars, or self-study. Embrace a growth mindset and always seek personal and professional development. Embrace challenges and failure. Understand that failure is a part of the learning process. Embrace challenges, step out of your comfort zone, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Learn from your failures, adapt, and persevere. Use setbacks as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Cultivate a strong work ethic. Success often requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. Develop a strong work ethic by setting high standards for yourself, maintaining discipline, and staying focused on your goals. Be willing to put in the effort required to achieve your desired outcomes. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals. Network both within and outside your professional field. Attend conferences, join professional organizations, and engage in networking events. Building strong relationships can provide valuable opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. Success is not solely measured by professional achievements but also by personal fulfillment. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being. Make time for family, friends, hobbies, and relaxation. Strive for a balance between your personal and professional life to avoid burnout and maintain long-term success. Adapt to change. The world is constantly evolving, and the ability to adapt to change is crucial. Stay flexible and open to new ideas and technologies. Continuously evaluate your strategies and adjust them as necessary to align with changing circumstances. Financial management. Establish good financial habits early on. Set a budget, save and invest wisely, and avoid unnecessary debt. Financial stability can provide you with the freedom and resources to pursue your goals and enjoy life. Give back to others. Success is not just about personal achievements but also about making a positive impact on others and society. Find ways to give back, whether through volunteering, mentoring, or supporting charitable causes. Helping others can bring fulfillment and a sense of purpose. Stay persistent and patient. Remember that success is a journey, and it takes time. Stay persistent, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Celebrate small victories along the way and maintain a positive mindset. Stay patient and committed to your goals, knowing that progress takes time.